So my wife asked me to do some honeydews, and that was to remove these shelves here, or book racks, or whatever you want to call it. Something I created with some cheap lumber we had, scrap wood. So it's being held by 2 screws. So I just have to remove those screws. I started with the screwdriver, but I switched that up quick. So I took one of the shelves down. These they were using like drywall anchors, which I can unscrew those right out the wall. Then I can just plug that with some joint compound. Now the other 2, they were in studs. So the bottom 2 shelves were in studs, and the top 2 shelves were in drywall anchors. So now I have all 4 down. So now I can start by getting some joint compound and add a little water to it to bring it back to life. Now I'm no professional, clearly, but I'm just putting it in the hole. Now I'll just wipe the extra away, try to blend it into the existing texture. I noticed you can see like this crater, so I decided to wait till it dries like that, and then just come back and put some more in there. And repeat those steps. Wipe off the extra. Now you can see that it's dry, and I decided just to sand it to knock off those sharp edges there to try to blend it a little bit more. Now it'll be ready for paint. So I decided not to paint it after finding it very hard to find it after the fact. You can tell that's the one I sanded earlier. And it looks like that one needs a little sanding, but I'm just gonna leave it as is.